Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove or delete recent document list in Microsoft Word. Recent Word documents are listed under Recent. Click Options. Click Advanced. Change to 0 and show this number of recent documents. Click OK. Close Word and reopen it. Recent document lists are removed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.